September 29th, 2024. So anyway, I got that vacuum breaker that came in for that commercial dishwasher. I was able to find it on eBay. And the Hobart guy was like, you know, 4 to 6 weeks away before he could come and fix the thing. So I told the maintenance guy I could probably get the part, you know, relatively cheap there on eBay. 60 bucks or something for the vacuum breaker, and you know, Hobart will probably charge him like 500 bucks for the thing or something, and see if I go over there and swap it out for the guy, see if I get the thing to work, because they use that dishwasher every day there at that daycare. So, and I told him that I would probably just try to replace that whole dishwasher. He wants to see if he can fix it, so whatever. You know, give him the options. I'm not really an appliance guy, but I mean, I should be able to swap out a vacuum breaker. He's kind of like concerned about waiting 6 weeks without a dishwasher, so I'll do what I can to try to help it along. Like I said, I'm not trying to steal the work away from the Hobart guy. He's just not available to come. So it's pretty crusty, that dishwasher, but we'll see what we could do. See if I get you some shots over there. Shouldn't be nobody around. Should still be off in the basement. It's one heavy unit, man. Right there. That's the pot right there. Somebody sent me these half-inch. Sent me these 7/16. That's not the size. It's 7/16. That's the size I need. I get that off there. Once I get that off there, I should be able to pull it out. Yeah. Should be able to just unscrew the top and just change the parts. Maybe. I'd like to be able to just change the parts if possible instead of trying to take the whole thing out. I don't know, we'll find out. And I got the same one. Let's see. Like I said, it should be off in the basement. I don't know. He looks a little flippin' crusty. Should be able to just, if I can't get that off, unscrew it. We'll replace the whole thing. We'll try. Will it come off? Maybe. I don't know. I don't think so. I'm gonna have to change it. I should be able to. Supposed to go this way. Come off, right? Yeah, look at that. Like I said, it should be off in the basement. There shouldn't be any water coming out of it, but I'm just curious on. I got the same exact one. Let's see what's in it. Just full of shit in there, looks like. Just flipping dirt. Maybe it just needs to be cleaned. Oh, it looks like it's just muck on it. Just full of muck. Put a little jism juice on there, and so that goes up and down easy. And I bet you that does it. I bet you. Just get some crustaceans on that bugger. And put a little bit of stuff on there so that goes up, and see how it's kind of binding. I'm gonna put a little bit of key grease on there. It's definitely crusty. Here comes the test. It's still leaking. It's still leaking. Put the other one in. I wanted to take a chance, but I guess it doesn't work. Yeah, this is all pitted. That's probably why we put a new one in there. Now, it'll work now. Water on it, we'll check it. This one here, seems like this top is all pitted. This is all rough. Man, could I have sanded it? Maybe. This whole top is rough. Might have been able to sand it. I'm not sure. I just put the new piece in there. Now I'm going to move all this, because this is where it was leaking before. We'll try it again. Not easy being cheesy, Mama. All I could say. This is a hot water line, pressure reducing valve. We'll see if it leaks now. Yeah, I think that's gonna do it. I think you gotta fill it or something. Don't look like it's leaking anymore. It's not leaking. Decline. I must have to fill it or something. I'm not sure what the hell's going on there with that.